So this video is going to be the video that you should watch if you're trying to get out of a bad situation, if you're trying to get out of poverty, if you're broke, if you're a single mom. I'm not saying broke in like a bad way, because literally we have all been broke. That's where everybody starts from. Everybody starts from the bottom. So this video is going to be a video to help you get started on just changing your life overall. And I'm definitely not shooting the video in this car because I will bake. So we're probably gonna go sit in the hammock on the back because it's quieter outside. The kids are playing video games right now, so let's do that. It's baking in that car, you guys. The first piece of advice is your mindset. I cannot stress the importance of how you think, because your mind is going to be what limits you. In your mind, you must believe that you're able to change your circumstances, because if you believe that you're going to be stuck where you are forever, then that's it. You're going to be stuck where you are forever. You must believe that you can make it out. You have to believe that you can do it. Another thing that coexists with your mindset and believing that you can actually make it out, you have to have the confidence to do it. Like, you have to be confident in everything that you do. Don't ever doubt yourself. Of course, we all start out as beginners. No matter what we're doing, we all start out as beginners, and that's how we learn. You have to learn how to not give up so easily. Like, things don't happen. Success does not happen overnight. And you have to have that determination to continue to be consistent in whatever you're doing to produce income, to change your life. I don't know if you guys know, but I've been a influencer for 11 years now. You would have think that I would have been quit, because the first few years, like a lot of first years, I was not generating any money. And now I'm here today and I'm generating a really good income from being an influencer, and I'm staying home with my kids. And it wasn't always like this. It took me 11 years to get here. Other thing I can't stress is that a lot of people want more for their life. Like, everybody wants more. Like, there are a lot of people who are in bad situations and they want more. But the thing is, they never take action. Like, a lot of people never take action. Like, even people who buy ebooks and courses, a lot of the time they buy those products to learn, or they watch YouTube videos, binging information, and they never actually use that information. Like, they never really implement the information. So what's the whole point of consuming a bunch of informational content and you're not implementing? So just remember that you have to, as well as wanting it bad, you have to start implementing the tips that people are giving you to get you to wherever you want to be in life. So mind frame is definitely the most important thing that you have to work on as a person, especially as a person that's coming from the bottom, because it does take a lot of changing like the way you think. That is very important. So the second thing, once you have improved your mindset, you're gonna have to find some type of way to generate income like that. It's sad, but that's just how life is. You have to generate income. There has to be ways for you to make money. How you use your money is completely up to you. So money is very important, you guys, in all aspects of life. Okay, so now let's get into some ways that you guys can make money online. I like online because it allows me to be home with my children. I have 3 kids that I want to be home with. I want to watch them grow. I want to be able to nurture them. What you pour in your children is going to determine the way they grow up and the people they are as adults. So if I had to start over, I would definitely look into doing something that's online, whether it's becoming a content creator or whether it's starting a online business. I'm not sure if you guys know, you might be new to this whole entire online business thing, but I would definitely recommend you guys to check out Alibaba. I have a lot of videos that will show you guys good vendors for different businesses to start, whether it's clothing, like this sweatsuit and this hat is from my clothing line, completely customized. I came up with a logo and I sent it to the vendor and they just produced my my sweatsuits. So I also have my vendor for sale if you guys are interested. If you're not, that's completely okay. I do have videos giving you guys vendors. So once you locate a vendor, you just get samples and you start the whole process of starting your online business. I like to recommend people to use Shopify, but that's completely up to you. You would definitely have to do your research on how to start an online business. I do have a free playlist for that. Literally, you guys, that's why I make all these videos, to help you guys to become entrepreneurs and become financial free at a low cost. So I have a lot of those type of videos on my YouTube. I'm going to link that playlist for you guys. If you're interested in starting an online business, it will teach you how to do it from scratch for free. I don't know if you guys have seen, but there's also the rise of like faceless digital marketing, which is like pretty much being a content creator influencer, but faceless. So you don't have to show your face. That's gonna be like digital products, ebooks, courses, and stuff like that, affiliate links. So you guys can do all of that without showing your face. I feel like that's really trending in 2024 because a lot of people are uncomfortable with being online, which is completely okay. So that's why they have faceless digital marketing. I'm gonna link the link to my video on how to create your own digital product like an ebook if you guys looking into that. You can also do online business, but you can do drop shipping instead. You can also do like a service-based business. Like everybody has some type of talent. It doesn't matter what it is. If you don't have a talent, you can easily get one by watching a lot of informational videos and just practicing. Whether you're doing a service like graphic designing or proofreading, it could literally be anything, you guys. Like the sky's the limit. Whatever you feel like you could get paid doing, that's something that you can potentially turn into a service-based business. So definitely look into that. You guys, I swear there are so many, the internet is crazy. Like I'm in my 30s, so when I was growing up, we didn't have the internet. So the fact that people have the internet now, like there are kids that are making thousands of dollars, like teenagers nowadays. We didn't have that before. So you guys just need to learn how to use the internet and take advantage of that and use it to your advantage. Like make money using it. Like who knows, the internet might not always be there. So you guys gotta learn how to use it because there are so many ways to make money online. So once you figure out what type of business you want to create, what you're trying to get into to generate some income, then you want to have multiple sources of income. You guys have to learn how to expand your income. Like don't limit yourself to just one thing. I would never limit myself to just one thing because I know the lifestyle that I live and I know what I need to do to maintain it. So if you guys want to live a really good lifestyle, you're going to have more than one source of income. So just keep that in mind. It's not just one thing that you're doing for income. Because if you really think about it, there is no difference between me and you. Like the only difference is I'm very determined. I'm super focused. I'm like in my zone. I always tell you guys, I know where I want to be. So I know what I have to do to get there. So I'm going to keep doing it. And I'm not letting anything sidetrack me. I'm not watching TV. I'm not wasting time. I'm not going out. No, it's always just tunnel vision for me. And that's a sacrifice that I am willing to make to get where I want to be. So yeah, I don't really know what this video is. I just felt like making this video because I really get that question a lot. Like how do I start? Where do I start? So this is going to be the video that I'm sending to you guys. And I really hope you guys really work on your mindset first and then try to figure out what it is exactly that you would be happy doing. You have to love what you're doing. Like you have to be passionate about whatever you're doing because you won't want to do it. Like if I didn't like to create content, then I wouldn't be a content creator, but I just have a passion for it. Like I love every aspect of being a content creator. Filming, editing, like everything. I love the whole thing. So that's when it becomes like really rewarding because when you're having fun doing something and you're getting paid for it, it just feels that more like this can't be real. And that's exactly how I feel. And I really hope that you guys get to experience this one day whenever you find out whatever it is that pretty much sets your soul on fire, something that you're passionate about, because that's all it boils down to. Don't try to force yourself to do things that you don't feel like doing because a lot of the times if something's not working, then it's not meant for you. That's how it is sometimes. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. I don't even know what day. I think today is Wednesday. I'm filming this on Wednesday. I'll post it on Saturday as well. Like I always post on Saturdays, but we don't really get sun upstate New York. So I'm just like, let me film today. And yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Remember, mindset first. Mindset first. Second, figure out what you're passionate about. Third, start a business from that passion, you guys, and you just grow from there. Make sure you guys work on perfecting your passion. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.